Mermaid Freedive Summit is what happens when mer friends from all over the world come together for community and to support an amazing cause. Hi, I'm Jane the Salty Siren, and this spring I attended my first ever Mermaid Summit hosted by the Vero Beach Mermaid in gorgeous sunny Florida. When I try to explain to people how much fun I had learning more about the art of mermaiding, I feel like words alone don't do justice to the experience. So I wanted to make a video to give you a peek into this 3-day summit and invite you to be part of our world. Are you ready? Let's go!
Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico, rico.
Day one, we checked in at Clark County Pool. I got a VIP ticket, which included access to toiletries, eye and ear aftercare, snacks, and drinks. Our day started with some stretching and breath work, and then we jumped into some static apnea. Static apnea is the freediving discipline of holding your breath while stationary underwater. My best time is 2 minutes 15 seconds. One girl held her breath for over 4 minutes. Mermaids are powered by the magic of monofin, and there are different kinds. The one Brandy's holding up is my trusty Linden. We worked on dynamics next, which is how to move through the water with proper form. That fin Brandy is using is a pro carbon fiber fin that makes you go fast. We got to practice in our monofins or tails. Moving through the water with a tail is so fun, and I loved seeing everyone's tails. We also had a workshop with Freedive Medicine. They teach CPR, first aid, trauma treatment, bleeding control. Sounds scary, but honestly, being in the water can be risky, and it's important to learn these life-saving skills. I'm in the water a lot, sometimes with my children as they also love to snorkel and freedive. So I really appreciated Freedive Medicine's presentation. I want to keep my loved ones safe. We had yummy catered lunch, happy dance. After lunch, we made some fun content, and it was time for group swims. I really love how it felt like we got to learn a lot, but there was still plenty of time to connect with each other and make friends. Look at Talia, such a queen. We had a workshop with Brandy going over the finer points of performing. Each participant got to do a friendly competition where we were scored given a few minutes to perform a sequence of our choosing. Brandy gave each of us feedback on what to work on. Amy and I ended day one at El Cid. There's nothing better than taco dinner with new friends. Day two, we headed to the Vero Beach Heritage Center for the Mermaid Freedive Fantasy Gala. There was a beautiful photo wall for us to have our photos taken. Have you ever seen a tail like this? Those are real Swarovski crystals. Dress code was mermaid-themed formal. VIPs had an additional lounge to cool down and grab water and snacks. And we got swag bags.
Thank you.
This headpiece kit from Whimsy Forge was super fun. Virginia of Beret and Brush was doing live paintings for us. She did one of me and my cat based on a photo of me taken at the Enchanted Clinky Room in Las Vegas. I love how it turned out. Petunia's Florals had these beautiful headpieces on display, and there was a table of Fin Folk goodies available to purchase as well.
Wow. I have almost every color, but I don't have this one. The Mythic Scale Top.
The Gala was holding a charity raffle to benefit Coral Restoration Foundation. Tickets were $10 each, and all proceeds went to the foundation. Look at this amazing hand-painted surfboard inspired by Charity Grace. There were some amazing prizes, like this megalodon tooth, and even these gorgeous Finfolk bracers, all generously donated by event sponsors. Petunia's Florals provided supplies for us to make our very own armbands. I didn't finish mine, but my friends turned out really pretty.
I can't totally.
You might be wondering what mermaid formal means. Let my friend Adriana show you. It's this kind of magic. Beautiful headpieces, sparkly swooping gowns, beautiful colors and details. Everyone has their own flair. I think Dimitri's creature baby was the best dressed of us all. There was a Patty presentation of professional development and a super helpful seminar on successful content creation. Charity Grace and the creators of Whimsy Forge gave us a sneak peek of their Zodiac swim collection. Slay, ladies! This is the best raffle I've ever participated in. So many prizes. I'm definitely using this for my Patty Rescue Diver course in October. I loved seeing everyone's excitement. Amy was so happy to win these gauntlets.
Oh my God.
It was so nice to see everyone walk away with something. Some of us won a lot of somethings. The gorgeous surfboard was a silent auction item, and it ended up going home to Amy.
Yes!
I can't think of a better person to have this gorgeous piece of art. After the raffle, Jersey kicked off our dance party.
While Jersey serenades us in the background with some acoustics.
Abalone Merman is a college professor who teaches movement, and he got everyone up and out on the dance floor. With that, our gala came to a close. After a short break, we went to Grind and Grape for a post-gala mixer. Hey Jersey, can you come to the Pacific Northwest? Seriously though, she is an amazing DJ. Grind and Grape even made us a specialty drink for the night, a mermaid punch based on rum. What better way to end an amazing day than dancing with friends? Day 3 was beach day at Fort Pierce Inlet. Most of us were returning home that day, so this was a last chance to hang before saying goodbye. There were optional photo and video shoots, and we all climbed onto the rocks for one last song and photos before the event ended. I miss everyone already. A huge thank you to Mermaid Freedive, Patty, and all the event sponsors for hosting such an amazing experience for us. I learned new skills and made a lot of new friends. I'm already so excited for next year. I hope you enjoyed being part of our world for just a few days. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Hit that alarm bell and stay tuned for next week's video, scuba diving in Cabo San Lucas in 4K. Thank you so much for watching. Be adventurous, be safe, and be kind. Bye.